Today we are at the Cuyuna Trail doing a little mountain biking, so let's get to it.
The Cuyuna Mountain Bike Trail System. With over 30 miles of riding spread across paved and single track, this area is heralded as Minnesota's best mountain biking destination. Located in northern Minnesota, just northwest of Mille Lacs Lake, the Cuyuna trails weave and twist through the Northwoods and along lake shores. Decades ago, this region was central to Minnesota's iron ore industry. Through the 60s and 70s, the mines began closing. The landscape was left scarred of mine pits and discarded equipment. But over the following 30 years, the land slowly began to heal. The pits filled with water, and trees and plants began to grow. The healed land remained undeveloped until a group known as the Minnesota Off-Road Cyclists pitched a plan to create a series of trails specifically for mountain bikers. The rest, as they say, is history.
Well, that is all we have here at the Cuyuna Trail, so we will see you guys in the next one.